Hi, I'm Jenny.
And we run the Plain Bicycle Project. We're doing this in support of the Canadian Mental Health Association's Ride Don't Hide annual fundraiser. Please consider donating to them to help them run their programming. There's so many mysteries about cycling. We're here to provide some cycling myths for you and tips on how to go about it.
Myth number 1. You need to wear a helmet. You don't.
Most people in the world don't think riding a bicycle is anything special at all. If you're riding a mountain bike downhill, training for the Tour de France, maybe wear a helmet. But if not, and you're just riding around your city, well, the science is clear. Driving these isn't good for you. If you're in one, you should be wearing a helmet. Myth number 2, you can't wear your nice clothes while riding a bike.
Fenders are a good idea, though.
Okay, myth number 3, you can't ride in the rain. What are you, sugar? The world's most bicycle-friendly country, the Netherlands, it rains all the time. If you're out and about and suddenly it starts to rain,
Try this. Myth number 4, you can't carry things. In the Netherlands, it's actually quite odd to drive to the grocery store. It's so much better when you can stop, grab fresh bread, go to the butcher, grab a coffee anytime you want. When you bike, you get fresh food all the time. And if you need to carry heavy things, they've got bikes for that too.
myth number 5, some people think you need a car to pick up your friends. I mean, of course you want to go to the social, to the concert, to the bar with your friend. But
You'd be surprised what you can pick up on a bike.
even on your way home, okay, last myth is about winter. A lot of people think you can't ride in the winter, that it's too cold, too icy, but honestly, just try it. It's one of the most beautiful times to ride a bicycle. Let me tell you why. The sound is muffled and you can hear the wheels turning and the snow crunching and the birds are chirping and you can breathe in fresh, cold air and you're not that cold. You're riding a bike, you're keeping warm, you don't have to worry about the gear, just like you would walk outside in your normal clothes. People who drive cars, you often hear them complaining about the winter. That's because they're not outside enjoying it. But if you ride a bike in the winter, it will change your life. And it will change your perspective on nature, on cold, on change, on the seasons. Yeah. So if you listen to any of this, take this as a bit of a challenge. Ride one day when it's snowy and beautiful and the trees are frosty, and just see how it goes. Take it easy, take it slow, and enjoy it. If you're riding a mountain bike, going downhill, or maybe training for the Tour de Force.
Pick up them. We're picking them up. Some people think you need a car to pick up guys. You need a Ferrari. We've compiled 6 cycling myths and tips. Your turn. Your turn.